Inquiries stay on the credit report for 2 years. After 2 years, they will automatically fall off of your credit report. Many people are quite afraid of credit inquiries, and this has led many people to associate big drops in the credit score with a credit inquiry. Oftentimes, these big drops in credit scores are associated with higher utilization ratio on a credit card that didn't previously have a high balance. Either that or they're associated with something like an account closing or an account being paid off. The inquiries themselves have a very minimal impact to the score, again, just 1 to 5 points. It is important to understand with inquiries, they are something that, again, only represents that new credit mix, that inquiry portion of your credit file, that 10% of your score. An inquiry itself is only worth about 1 to 5 points on average. It is okay to shop around when you're looking for a mortgage, an auto loan. It's very important to try to get the best loan product for you. Don't be afraid of inquiries when you are thinking about making a big purchase that's going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars in the case of a house. It's important to get the best product for you and not to let your fear of an inquiry sway you from shopping around and getting the best lender, the best rate possible, and the best type of product.